Good afternoon, Vande Mataram, Jai Hind. I hope you have watched the previous videos before watching this video and subscribe to channel and click on the bell icon to get the notification of the new videos on time. Today we are going to learn about the fundamental duties, a short topic. So without wasting time, let's start. The fundamental duties. Parliament realized the need of inserting the fundamental duties as the part of the Indian Constitution and required every citizen of India to adhere to these duties. By the 42nd Amendment of the Constitution, a new part, a Part 4A, was inserted for providing the fundamental duties of a citizen of India. Article 51A was inserted to provide that it shall be the duty of every citizen of India. But these fundamental duties were added in the Constitution by a committee, and that committee's name was the Swaraj Singh Committee. In 1976, the Congress Party set up this committee to make the recommendation about the fundamental duties. The necessity felt during the operation of the internal emergency in 1978 to 77. It was added in the Constitution by the 42nd Constitution Amendment Act 1976, and it was added in the Indian Constitution as Part 4A. So what are the fundamental duties? There are 11 fundamental duties. So let's see the fundamental duties. First one is to abide by the Constitution and respects the ideals and the institution, the national flag and the national anthem. What the fundamental duty is for the duty of the citizen of the India for the nation. So in the fundamental duties, first it is the abide by the Constitution. We have to respect the ideals, the institution, the national flag and the national anthem. It is our duty. Second one is to cherish and follow the noble ideals that inspire the national struggle of the freedom. That means we have to follow and to cherish the noble ideals who inspired the national struggle at the time of the freedom. To uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India. To defend the country and render the national service when called upon to do so. We have to defend our country, to protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India. To promote the harmony and the spirit of common brotherhood amongst all the people of India, transcending the religion, linguistic and the regional or sectional diversities, and to renounce parties derogatory to the dignity of women. India is a common, or we can say a combination of various religion and various diversities in India, and also it is our duty to give the proper dignity to the woman. Then to value and preserve the rich heritage of the country's composite culture, to protect and improve the natural environment including the forest, lake, reservoir, wildlife, and to have compassion for living creatures, to develop scientific temper, humanism and the spirit of equity and reform, to safeguard public property and to abjure violence, to strive towards excellence in all spheres and individuals and collective activities so that the nation constantly rises to higher levels of endurance and achievement, to provide opportunities for education to his or her child, or as the case may be, the ward between the age of 6 to 14 years. This last fundamental duty was added by 86 Constitution Amendment Act 2002. Fundamental rights and the fundamental duties as provided in Article 32 of the Constitution, which itself is a fundamental right. The fundamental rights are enforceable through Supreme Court. High Court also under the Article 226 can issue writs etc. for the enforcement of the fundamental rights. However, fundamental duties are not enforceable through courts. That Similar to the directive principle of the state policy, the fundamental duties are non-enforceable through any courts. In case of the violation of the fundamental rights, we cannot go to the court, but it is our duty as a citizen of India to follow the fundamental duties for the welfare of the nation and the citizen of India. There are some criticisms for the fundamental duties, such as the list of duties is not exquisite as it does not cover the important duties. Some of the duties are vague, ambiguous and difficult to understand by the common man, non-justiciable, and it should be added in the part 3 with the fundamental rights. These are some criticism given by some people about the fundamental duties. That's it about the fundamental duties for the today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and click on the bell icon to get the notification of the new videos released as soon as possible. Thank you. We will meet tomorrow. Thank you.